让它掉出来大一点，就拿卫生纸给它们擦一下，把整包卫生纸咬下来，咬的全部都碎的。啊，什么都咬，啊，纸箱也咬，反正什么都咬就对了。
啊，报纸也咬。
对，报纸弄得很高，它还是有办法跳出来。它都从那个，它就跳上去，它再从上面最高的地方再跳下来，真的没办法。因为它这样子，人家会觉得在刚教它，你要教它自己，就会觉得很神奇。因为你们如果乖乖的，反正吃饭啊、大小便啊，跟大家都还可以去，就是 OK 啊，没有关系啊。我大小可以难免，对。只是为了让他们太晚了，大一点。
Friends and family, because you're such a downer all the time? Ask your doctor if Happy Buy is right for you.
Warning, side effects may include dryness, dizziness, constipation, fatigue, running with symptoms seen in people walking around like normal. Some patients may experience involuntary suction while on Happy Buy. If you get hiccups, try holding your breath for 10 seconds. Contact our doctor for teeth and or hair pain falling out. Happy Buy is not intended for use in diets that include protein and or carbohydrates.
Happy Buy has changed my life forever. Thanks, Doc.
This is
92.2 and this is Skrillex with Hyperride.
那个都无所谓，因为看到人高兴就无所谓，只是不要做一些让人家去收拾，烂摊子，然后为什么要多高手，就是要做大一点。那报纸也是，对啊，报纸也是，所以你不能让人家给你擦。做了很多很讨厌的事，让人家在你背后来搞你说话。就像你啊，你喝可乐吃凤梨酥没吃完，一定要自己消化，把人家分在你的缸里，这样就会给你擦，这样人家就会比较觉得说这个孩子，因为人家要帮你收拾，你要自己做。
Classic Vibes, 101.4.
Hello there, Vegas. Barry Jones here. Friendly reminder that it's adoption weekend. So if you're lonely and find yourself needing some companionship, why not head on down there and take out a new friend? And if you're in need of a different kind of companionship, then don't forget about sexy senior single Sundays at Cheeks. Your very own Barry Jones will be down there spinning a special swinging set for all you swingers out there. And of course, with early bird drink deals starting at 1 p.m., you'll have a great time, and you'll still be home in time for the nightly news. Hello, Vegas. You're listening to 101.4 Classic Vibes. Very special happening later. I managed to get my hands on an original 45 demo from the legendary Chucky Baster. Now, Chuck Baster, as I'm sure all my listeners know, released 2 instantly classic LPs before succumbing to paranoia, locking himself in a shack with the Badlands of Montana and declaring himself the king of Basterolian, a small sovereign nation, population of 1. As a result, we haven't heard anything from Chucky since 1974, but while rummaging through some used record bins at an estate sale last month, I stumbled across a rare gem. It's an acoustic demo of Baster's early single, Chicken, Chicken, Flocks of Chicken. And we're going to take it for a spin later on this afternoon right here on 101.4 Classic Vibes. You've got 101.4. You've got Barry Jones. And now you've got the Hillbilly Hellcat with Crazy Little Baby.
Not too crazy about it. She got a nasty way of talking to me that you wouldn't believe. Telling me all she wants me to know.
wife despises you, your brother won't return your desperate calls, and your daughter is giving out hand jobs in a back alley because you put her entire college tuition on Black 24 on the night of her high school graduation, which you missed. Terrible credit, broken legs, and foreclosure can't stop you from chasing the dream. So let it ride, degenerate gambler guy. Let it ride. Reach for greatness, America. Reach for Broken Rock beer. Paid for by Broken Rock.
Hey, ladies, have you been here? Hip-hop king ID Knight never showed up for his interview, so it looks like I'll be doing another solo run this week. Have you been? Great to have you back. Really, thanks. How's your record coming? I was working on a record. It's going okay. I think it could be big. Big? I see we're a little cocky. Sure, I mean, am I IB Knight? Hell no. No way. Brother's gotta have dreams, you know? Yeah, but what's the point of having a dream you can never achieve? When was the last time you even sat down and worked on that record? Yeah, I've been going through some stuff. Are you really trying to convince me that you can be anything more than a sad amalgamation of cells, hernias, and disappointment? I'm more than a sad amalgam. Please, you nothing, yo. You're never gonna finish that record. It's true. More with heavy bed after this.